Have you ever wondered which is more powerful, Google Gemini or Chat GPT-4? We're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the realm of artificial intelligence, where these two titans reign supreme. Google Gemini, a versatile AI system, and Chat GPT-4, a conversationally adept AI, are at the forefront of this technological revolution. But which one has the edge? Which one truly stands out? Get ready to delve into the world of artificial intelligence and explore these two giants. Google Gemini, a name that resonates in the realm of AI, but what makes it so special? Let's dive in. Google Gemini is an AI program that uses machine learning to interact with users. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Gemini uses natural language processing, which allows it to understand and respond to complex commands. It can schedule appointments, answer queries, and even crack a joke or two. But it's not just the basics. Gemini shines in its ability to handle more complex tasks. It can analyze data, offer personalized recommendations, and even learn from its interactions to improve its performance over time. But what sets Gemini apart is its ability to adapt. It's designed to learn from its interactions, refining its responses to better suit the user's needs. It's like having an assistant that grows with you, becoming more efficient and effective the more you use it. Now let's talk about the pros. Gemini's adaptive learning is a game changer. It's not just about doing tasks, it's about doing them better each time. The personalized recommendations are another plus. It's like having a friend who knows you well and can suggest things you might like. And let's not forget the convenience. Who wouldn't want a personal assistant that can do so much and is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? But Gemini is not without its cons. For one, it requires a lot of data to function effectively. This could raise privacy concerns, as it needs access to personal information to provide its services. It's also dependent on a stable internet connection, which could be a limitation in areas with poor connectivity. And while it's designed to learn and adapt, it's not perfect. There could be instances where it misinterprets commands or provides inaccurate information. In the end, Google Gemini is a powerful tool, but it's not without its flaws. It's a step towards a future where AI can truly understand and assist us in our daily lives. But like any tool, it has its limitations, and its use comes with a certain level of responsibility. So, while it offers a glimpse into the future, it's up to us to use it wisely and responsibly. Now let's shift our focus to Chat GPT-4, another contender in the AI arena. Chat GPT-4, developed by OpenAI, is the next generation of conversational artificial intelligence. It represents a significant leap from its predecessor, GPT-3, in its ability to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This AI model is a linguistic powerhouse. It can draft emails, write articles, answer questions, create poetry, and even engage in a natural conversation. Its use cases are as diverse as they are impressive. From customer service bots to personal assistant applications, Chat GPT-4 is transforming the way we interact with technology. One of the key advantages of Chat GPT-4 is its ability to understand context. It doesn't just respond to the last thing you said, it remembers the conversation, allowing for more meaningful and nuanced discussions. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. As much as we'd like to believe that Chat GPT-4 is the perfect AI solution, it does have its limitations. For one, while it understands context, it doesn't understand the world in the same way humans do. It doesn't have beliefs or opinions. It can't fact-check information or provide real-time updates. It's still a machine after all. Furthermore, the model can sometimes produce outputs that are hard to predict. It may generate text that is inappropriate or nonsensical, and it can be quite verbose. These inconsistencies can make it challenging to use in certain contexts. Finally, there's the issue of cost. Training these models requires a significant amount of computational resources, which can be a barrier for smaller businesses or individual developers. But let's not forget, Chat GPT-4 is still a remarkable piece of technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to mimic human conversation and generate coherent, relevant responses is truly a testament to the strides we've made in this field. Impressive as it may seem, Chat GPT-4 also has its own set of challenges. Now that we've explored both Google Gemini and Chat GPT-4, it's time to consolidate what we've learned. Google Gemini, with its advanced AI techniques, offers robust and dynamic features. However, its complexity may pose a challenge for beginners. On the other hand, ChatGPT-4 delivers remarkable conversational capabilities, but its extensive data requirements could be a hurdle for some. Whether it's Google Gemini or ChatGPT-4, the right choice depends on your specific needs. So, which one are you inclined towards?